So we have Mr. Young, his son, and his daughter. When Mr. Young was 40 years old, his son's age was twice of his daughter's age. So if his daughter was 1 unit, his son would then be 2 units because it's twice of the daughter's age. And when his daughter is 28 years old, Mr. Young's age would be twice of his son's age. Now, here if you notice the difference between the son's age and the daughter's age, the difference is 1 unit. Okay? Since the difference between the son's and the daughter's age will be constant, so here the son would then be 1 unit plus 28 years old, since he is always 1 unit older than the daughter. Okay? Then they tell us that Mr. Young's age will be twice of his son's age. So twice of the son's age would then be 2 times of 1 unit, which is 2 units, and 2 times of 28, which is 56. Alright? Next, we notice that the difference between Mr. Young and his son's age will also be constant. Okay? So the difference between their age when Mr. Young was 40 years old would be 40 minus 2 units, which will be equal to the difference when the daughter is 28 years old. So the difference between 2 units and 1 unit will be 1 unit, and the difference between 56 and 28 will be 28. Alright? So we find the difference between negative 2 units and 1 unit, which will be 3 units, and the difference between 40 and 28, which will give us 12. So from here we know that 1 unit will be 4 years, okay, by taking 12 dividing by 3. So now we need to find the difference between Mr. Young and the daughter's age. Since the daughter's age is 1 unit when Mr. Young was 40 years old, so the difference in their age, difference between Mr. Young and the daughter's age, okay, will be 40, subtracting off 1 unit, which is 4. So that gives us 36. The question asks us, how old would Mr. Young be when his daughter is 23 years old? Since Mr. Young is always 36 years older than his daughter, alright, Mr. Young would then be 23 plus 36 years old, which will give us our answer of 59 years old.